What's going on, everyone? Carlos here, Disney World Freak. It is Memorial Day weekend. It is a very wet one here in Rhode Island, Southeast Massachusetts. Suzanne and I decided, what the hell? That was stupid of me. Disregard what I just did. What the hell? Let's go for a ride to IKEA. And then we realized, hey, Costco is right next door. Let's go to Costco. I don't know what we're gonna look for. I don't know what we're gonna buy. Probably nothing. But I figured, what the hell? Let's do a hot dog challenge. Who's got the better hot dog? IKEA or Costco? Let's go find out. Took us a little bit to find a parking spot. Everybody had the same idea. Everybody wants to go to IKEA today. I can imagine what the parking's gonna be like at Costco. Before we go and check out the hot dogs, of course, Suzanne is going to go through the whole store and look at little things like, what is that?
Placemats.
Oh, little placemats. All right. Eventually, we'll get to the hot dogs. Who the hell knows? So, the hot dog you can get downstairs over at checkout. Cinnabons too. But if you didn't know, IKEA, and I'm sure you did know, they got a full cafeteria style restaurant here with meatballs, plant-based, chicken tenders, mac and cheese, falafel balls, and I saw some pasta too. And not bad prices, $7.49 for a big plate of meatballs. Fish balls, I don't know who wants to get fish balls, but you can get fish balls too. So now you pre-order here in these kiosks, which I didn't get to show you. You just wait for your number to be called. Again, you get some Cinnabons, get your hot dogs, slices of pizza. They're out of a lot of things. I saw that on the board. But it was $1 a hot dog. Let's see how they work. So after finally doing a little bit of shopping, we got to the hot dogs. The point of this video, trying the hot dogs here and at Costco next door. So again, only a buck, really thin, steamed hot dogs. Nothing really special about it. But let's taste it. The bun's a little dry. But let's see what the taste is like. I like to add mustard to mine. Not a ketchup fan. Ketchup don't belong in hot dogs. Even though Michaela put it on hers. But let's see. Taste test time. Let's see what we got here. Very dry bun. Very, very dry bun. Hot dog's a little snappy, which is all right, but you can tell wasn't steamed correctly. Not liking the bun at all. I mean, this bun, not stale, but very dry. Hot dog wise, I give this a 3 out of a 10. Nothing special. I mean, if you're starving, you want to grab something for $1, it might be worth it, but we're gonna go next door now, do a little shopping at Costco, try their hot dogs and see what it's like. Costco is another busy place today on Memorial Day, Sunday Memorial Day weekend. Again, it's very rainy here in southeastern Massachusetts. Our closest Costco. Just activated our membership. And we're gonna look around before we hit the hot dogs and compare them to IKEA's. So because of the craziness inside of Costco, I didn't get really any video in there. And after ordering this damn thing, it was just really crazy in there. There wasn't a place to sit, it wasn't a place to stand. It's a madhouse in there. But got my hot dog. Of course, you can see it looks like a really good hot dog. A lot larger than IKEA. $1.50 you get the hot dog and a drink, fountain drink. Ended up with some mustard, and they have some relish here. I like a little bit of relish. Let's take a bite and see what it's like. Like I said, yep, doing this in the car. So here we go, digging in. Nice hot dog. The bun is so soft. Love the seeds on the bun. Really good hot dog. It does remind me of a Casey's Jr. hot dog in Disney World. It really does. Really good. Can't believe I had these 2 hot dogs. And no ice cream. But not bad. Love this hot dog. I'm going to give it a 9 out of 10. Why I don't give it a 10? I don't give pretty much anything a 10. So definitely 9 out of 10. It's worth having the membership just to come get hot dogs. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If not, I don't really care. Do whatever you want with it. Just a little fun I'm having here on the Sunday, wet Sunday, Memorial Day weekend. Go enjoy the rest of your weekend, and remember why we have this holiday, for those who gave all for us to have our freedom to enjoy a pretty good hot dog. That's about it. Bye, everyone.